हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज यज्ञेश पटेल और आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी लेवल्स फॉर द नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन दैट इज 15th of June on Monday. Yes, we are going to discuss about the levels. So we always mark the levels before day before the trading session, and based on the just price actions and important support and resistance, we mark this level, and we are also going to mark the levels for the next trading session. So what have been done in last trading session on Friday? We have seen a very huge gap down opening in the beginning. You can see this is the closing of the last trading session of Thursday, and this is the opening of Friday trading session. This is a huge gap, and the market recovered very sharply, and you can see a very nice white big body white candle, bullish candle. We call it a very bullish candle. So in and all, there is a very nice support area of this gap in the Nifty Bank spot price. So let's find out the level for the next trading session. So for that, we can move to a smaller time frame of 5 minutes. So we have seen a very huge gap down here, and we already marked the levels. The important support level was around 20,340, which was exactly Bank Nifty has tested as a resistance, again fall down, and finally managed to cross these levels. An important low, which was at this two resistance, has been broken down by the Bank Nifty index on last Friday, and finally managed to test the important resistance zone which we have already marked around 20,750, and exactly Nifty Bank tested the same level here and rejected to go beyond this level and closed around this zone. So now we'll mark the levels for the next trading session. So first of all, we mark the high of the trading session, which is around 20,740, exactly the level which we already marked. So just removing the color, because we always mark the pink line as a support high and low of the day. So this is the 20,750 spot level. Important low is around 19,580 spot basis. So these are the two levels which I already marked for next trading session as an important support and resistance. The difference is very huge because Bank Nifty gap down and travel upside throughout the day and closing above the near the previous closing session, which is very nice. And you can see there is a cluster of resistance have been seen here. I'll show you here. Somehow it's managed to close above that important resistance zone, and it's a nice breakout here. So this will be our important resistance zone. The important resistance zone has been broken, so right now it will act as important support. So exactly 20,340, which I have already marked yesterday or yesterday session also, will act as a support now, as an important support zone. 20,340 spot basis important support zone. Now we will see which will be a very nice important resistance zone for the Nifty index. So somehow we can see there is a price rejections we can see here beyond this area, beyond this area. So now we will mark the level around 21,000. It's a psychological and a round figure number resistance. So now we'll mark this level as an important resistance zone for the Nifty Bank, 21,000 on the spot basis. So you need to look out these levels, important levels of support and resistance for the next trading session. Okay. So now we'll move forward to the Nifty index. What have seen, what we have marked in last trading session. आप देख सकते हो एक बड़ा गैप डाउन देखने को मिला, and then the finally Nifty index also managed to close very nicely and recovered very sharply in the last trading session. Okay, so first we will mark the important high and low of the yesterday trading session of Friday. So this is the high around 999 5.70, almost 10,000. 10,000 is a round figure, and psychological resistance for the Nifty also the same high has been formed. An important low has been formed around 9560. It's a spot basis level, almost 500, 450 and 500 point move. You can see on high and low, difference between high and low in the Nifty index. Okay, so now we will going to mark the levels for the important support and resistance. For that, we need to look out the important turning point before day before yesterday and last trading session also. So we can see there is a cluster of resistance has been seen here, price rejection. Finally, it has been closing and giving breakout over that, and a very nice rally happened here. So this will be a very nice area of support because the resistance has been broken. So nice area of support is around 9820. I will mark out 9820 because of this important resistance zone has been broken out here. So now if going forward, if market will go down from this level, so importantly it will take support at this area. Most probably it will take support at this area of 9820. Now we are going to mark important resistance for the Nifty index, which is around, you can see the price rejection happen here. I will show you with the zoom by showing the zoom. You can see there is a cluster of resistance, price rejection happen on nice gap area here. So it will act as an important resistance for this Nifty index. So important resistance for Nifty index is around 10,130, which is a gap area. This is a gap area, 10,130 spot basis, important resistance zone for the Nifty index. Okay, so you need to watch out the levels which we have marked on the spot basis chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Whenever the time of the level, if any reversal candles like shooting star, hammer, big bullish candle, big bearish candle happen at this area, and this is a spot, and this is a signal for you if you are an intraday trader in index, particularly Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's how you can able to use this level in the coming session. So if you like this analysis, hit the like button, do subscribe my channel, and wait for my next video. Thank you so much.